We have a little garden friend right here. Can y'all see the turtle? I was coming over here to actually try to see where I wanted these celotias right here, and I saw him. He was right here, and I was like, what in the world is that? Because y'all know I can deal with a lot of things, but you know the one thing I can't necessarily deal with, and it starts with an S. But that's not what we're here for today. I do need to pull these dusty millers, but as I'm trying to get a lot of things planted, y'all, I actually looked out yesterday as I was trying to clear off the patio, and these flowers are so pretty. Like, they should have been up, and these. But I have some pink petunias that I want to go ahead and plant right here so that they'll get growing. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I really have been trying to get a whole bunch of summer flowers planted. As y'all can see, these snapdragons are now starting to flower, and they look so pretty. So I'm gonna let them stay here just a little while longer. But again, when I was cleaning the patio off, I was like, these are really doing good. These are the pink petunias. And so I have two more that's left. And I think that these are either 2 or 3 plants. Now, I really wanted them to eventually, and hopefully they will, trail over and then fill this little space up right here. But I am just loving the color. And these are the same pink petunias where we planted the purple and the pink in the bed right behind me. So let me show you that real quick. These are doing good as well. I see just a little bit of budworm damage on some of them, but I'll come in again, y'all, and start my regimen of the BT. But we did the purple and then we did the pink, and we alternated it all down, and hopefully throughout the summer it will really start to get full and just trail over just a bit. That is really my intention on how I want this to look. But plants grow the way they want, and I'm okay with that. I just wanted color. So since we have an overcast today and it's gonna rain, I'm still gonna water it in a little bit, but I don't have to do a whole lot. Something about that rainwater, y'all, just really makes my plants flourish. So we're gonna go ahead, pull these up. And again, these did so well. We planted these in fall. I tried to stay on top of deadheading, but as you can see, now that it's like towards the end and I'm gonna pull it up, I kind of, got a little behind. But we're gonna put the pink petunias right here, and these are our the lunchbox peppers that we started from seed. But this is what baffles me. You see this one, you see that one. I gotta figure out what it is that's coming in that's really trying to rip this apart, because I don't like it. And yeah, we'll figure it out. But this one is kind of struggling. But I do have another pepper plant that I may put here, like if that just continues to struggle. And these right here are the tennis ball lettuce that we started from seed as well. And then we got some sage growing. So I thought that this pink would be really pretty in this area with the thyme. But we're also going to go ahead and pull the lettuce over the next few days, y'all, and then that way the pink petunias can go ahead, fill in this area. And then again, I might plant maybe one thing right here, but it'll be small. It was my intention to do like 3 lunchbox peppers going across, so maybe that might be the case. But I was also trying to give the Veronica Speedwell a chance to have enough room, so if it needed to move over just a little bit, it can. But I really feel like the winter savory that we started from seed, I really feel like I'm going to end up moving that, and I'll just put it in the herb garden, because I got a feeling that once the peppers start to grow, they just probably won't get enough light. And that's okay. That's how you have to do in the garden. Y'all remember me telling you, nope, I haven't done it yet, but you remember me telling you I gotta move these walking onions, and I gotta move these strawberries right here. So we'll go ahead and see what's what with that. So let me go ahead, get all my tools, so that way we can get those done. and have them grow just like the other ones that I showed you. So I'll show you once I'm done how everything looks. Straighten up just a bit more, and I still have 2 more left that I need to plant somewhere. What I may do is pop them where I have the winter savory at when I pull them up, so that way it'll be a pretty contrast with the pink and the purple once we start to see the blooms of these Veronicas. But y'all know I have to think a little bit about it, and then I'll have my plan of action. But they're gonna grow so pretty, and I already know that when I look out, it's just gonna be such a beautiful, just all type of colors that are in this garden, which is what I am going for. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notifications each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.